So last week, some great people made me realize the importance of education. Oh, not this slide. Yeah, this. The Kothari Commission said that the destiny of this nation is being shaped in its classrooms. So let's discuss what is happening in these classrooms. How is this destiny being shaped? The purpose of education is to open your mind. That will happen when you are told to read something different, when you talk to people of differing opinions, or go to a different place, when you attend an event which is different from your way of living. But are your schools and colleges doing this? The purpose of education is to make you think. But we would all have had teachers who would tell us to write answers exactly how they gave it to us. You are encouraged to by heart, to rot learn, rather than to think by yourself. You are told not to use your mind, not to write answers in your own words. Write it word to word so that it becomes easy to check the papers. Oh, shh. The purpose of education is to get you ground knowledge, for which projects, research, and assignments were a good option. But let's be honest, did you ever in your life learn anything new from a school, college, project, assignment, or a research? Those who write it and those who check it both know how it is written. Then whom are we fooling with this useless exercise? The experience and knowledge that fieldwork or actual research gives is purely missing, which is why all of this above in the schools and colleges in India is an absolute waste of time. Marks low or photo. But सीखा क्या? Students are happy as they get to copy. Teachers are happy as it saves their effort on guiding the student to do a proper project or research. But we should ask ourselves, what are we getting? The purpose of education is to make you a better person. But the subjects that make you a better person are always sidelined or ignored. Environmental studies, physical training, personality development, library sessions, humanities are hushed aside when the other subject teachers want to complete their syllabus. जब धरती खत्म हो रही होगी तो अपना sin theta, cos theta लेके calculate करना कितना time बचा है. These very important subjects are all reduced to a simple book completion exercise when so much can be done in these subjects. The purpose of education is also to upskill you, but that's clearly not happening when a written computer exam is organized. The world is discussing AI, blockchain, metaverse, but the computer teachers in India haven't moved anything ahead from Microsoft Office and HTML. Language too is a skill. We all must have had times when the language teacher didn't know how to speak that language that they were teaching. अबे नहीं आता है तो छोड़ दो ना काम. Join some other profession. No, there are so many job opportunities available. The purpose of education is just not to get a job. वो तो वैसे भी नहीं मिलने वाला है. The purpose of education is not just getting high marks. Hence, question bank importance या leaked question paper लेके क्या ही कर लोगे तुम लोग? Don't ask how much marks you got. Ask what did you learn? Did your semester even make sense? You spent 10 years in school, approximately 5 to 7 years in college or university. This kind of education doesn't develop a skill in you, doesn't make you employable. You're able to clear exam, but did it make you a better person? Do you know how to critically think? Do you know how to speak in public? Do you have a skill that can help you survive for the rest of your life? When most of these colleges are working in this manner, why is nobody talking about it? इस education ने global competition तो छोड़ो, इंडिया के ही international schools के साथ compete करने लायक भी नहीं छोड़ा है. Because of all of this, you are supposed to spend twice to get the same education, once in college and another time in coaching class. Ask yourself, does it even make sense? Write to me in the comments. Is your school, college and university too in this condition?